Kuki Kulai Paiba Group Singa Chatanariba Suspension of Operation Sugi Term Amasung Condition Amadi Compliance Status Miyam the Kangalu Haina Lok Sabagi Member Dr. Agumcha Bimol Akujamna Parliament Pukatuna Minister of Home Affairs Transaction Pray Rule 377 Game Makata Pukalakpa Dr. Agumcha Bimol Akujam Notice Aduna High Suda Laiba Kuki Kulai Paiba Group Sing Asina Manipura Tongan Tongan Makal Makaki criminal activity Chatabagi report lay Masi Fawada Miyam the term Amasung Condition Amata Kanhandana Sugi Yanaba Asi Maka Samtaduna Admuk Labana Yam the Chow Nungang Pahole Deputy Chief Minister Losi Dikona Fawba Liang Maigi Micham Daruk Harkib Aduda Suda Ladiba Can FP Chennai Amadi Logi Wangmada Senkai Tungkai Tawi Haida Marasi Hibane Suda Ladiba Kuki Kulai Paiba Sing Asana Central Security Force Laida Laina Lamdam Asiki National Highway Sing that Logi Wangmada Senkai Tungkai Tawi Maram Aduna Home Affairs ki Union Minister na Sugi term amasung condition amade compliance status adu public domain da phanghanbiyo Sugi yanaba adu amukhana review tawraga maral leramba thengnarabate su abrogate tawba yauna mathau taba action lakhatbiyo amade National Highway sing da illegal oiba thabak kaya tathariba ase lakshanbiyo haina so notice aduna makha tare